I'm just sitting in the car bawling, like non-stop crying. How much stop over? How much? Stella? Mm-hmm. You guys, we're legitly at a hospital right now. We're actually leaving right now, but so much happened within the past 2 hours. It's been crazy, but as soon as I'm calm and in a good frame of mind, I'll tell you guys everything that happened. But yeah, we had to rush Della to the emergency room real quick. I'm just sitting in the car bawling, like non-stop crying. When you have kids, it just tug at your heart, just tug at your heart so bad. When you see them go through things that you can't help them through, it's just so hard. Now that I take him to the hospital, I didn't even tell you guys what happened. So we were home, put him down his usual 8 o'clock, and he took up a cotton to clean his ears and said, "Mama, ears." But he always do that for me to clean his ears. So I think he was just one of those days where he want me to clean his ears. Put him down for the night, and so we actually started filming a story time, and we hear him start crying. So of course we stopped, went in his room. We thought it's just one of those bad dreams where he want me to just pick him up, cuddle him, and then put him back to sleep. But this time it wasn't that. He was just crying hysterically, take my finger and poking it in his ears and say, "Mama, ears," and poking his finger in his ears. So being the mom that I am, I called my mother and asked Mom, the babe just coming back from the pharmacy, and asked Mommy what's wrong. And when I tell Mom what's wrong, she said to take him to the emergency room. Take him to the emergency room. They said it's not ear infection, and there's so much wax in his ears that they can't see if there's anything behind the ears, anything behind the wax. So the doctor that deal with cleaning of the ears is going to be there on Monday, so we have to carry him back if the ear is still hurting. But if the ears is not hurting or not, I'm still going to carry him on Monday, because obviously that wax is going to need to be cleaned out anyways. So yeah, we'll leave the hospital. They gave us 2 different set of tablets, 2 different set of medicine for him, and because it's late night now, they give us a special number of the pharmacy that open at this time. So babe just ran and got his medicine. There he is in the back, knocked out, sleeping. So let's see if he's going to sleep for the rest of the night and anything like that. But yeah, that's what's going down right now. I just sit in the car bawling, because it's just one of those things that is unexpected and you don't know when it's gonna happen. It happened when you have kids, so you just have to deal with it. So we're heading home right now to put him down, and hopefully he will sleep for the night. So keep us and keep tight in your prayers, you guys, but he'll be okay. We're heading home.